John now. Shaking in the cat, what's like? That's 1 minute. Hey, Mr. Speaker. Why did you start?
Issued at the end of the South-West Governors Forum meeting held today, Monday, 24th November 2025, here at the Governor's Office Secretariat in Ibadan, in Oyo State. The South-West Governors Forum, comprising the governors of Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, and Oyo States, held its meetings on Monday, 24th November 2025 at the Governor's Office Secretariat by Oyo State. After extensive deliberation on various issues, including agricultural, economic and regional development, security challenges that are also affecting the Southwest region, the forum resolved as follows. The forum commends Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, on the very laudable effort and fight against insecurity and various economic reforms on all its developmental agenda. The forum appreciates Mr. President. The forum further expresses solidarity with the federal government in its efforts and the issues that have happened in Kebbi, Kwara, and Niger states after the very recent spate of kidnapping at the government's Girls' Comprehensive School in Maga Town, the Catholic institution of St. Mary's in Papiri, Agwara local government, Niger State, and also at the CAC Church at Eruku, Kwara State. The forum applauds the swift response of the federal government towards the rescue of the Kwara adoptees and more than 51 students of the Catholic School, Niger State. The forum thereafter reviewed the current state of security within our region and took some decisions to ensure that the security of life and property of our people. 1. The forum agreed to set up a Southwest Security Fund, which will be set up under the Dawn Commission, and this fund will be administered by a forum of special advisors on the security of all the Southwest states, and they have been mandated to ensure that they keep on a monthly meeting amongst the 6 special advisors. 2. The forum also set up a joint security intelligence sharing and communication platform. The forum resolved to establish a live digital intelligence sharing platform amongst all the 6 Southwest states. This platform will exchange threat notification, will ensure that incidents are logged, traveler and cargo alerts, and coordinate state-to-state response, among others. 3. Forest surveillance. The Forum commends the effort of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. The Forum commends the effort of our hunters, Amoteku members, and all other security agencies. Thereafter, the Forum calls on the federal government to note the urgent need for enhanced forest surveillance across the southwest states, and join and call on the federal government to secure the vast forest belts that have become hideouts for all sorts of criminal elements. To this end, the Forum agrees that the federal government should help deploy the forest guards across the southwest states, with each state government responsible for providing the required personnel. The Forum reaffirms their collective commitments to reclaiming the forests and ensuring that these spaces no longer serve as safe corridors for banditry, for kidnapping, or any form of criminality at all. On interstate migration, the Forum expresses deep concern on the unregulated interstate migration that continues to pose significant challenges across the southwest. The Forum calls for stricter border monitoring, calls for data collection and self-identification of each southwest states, and the Forum wants to work with the National Identity Management Commission, NIMC, for proper identification. The Forum agrees to intensify security collaboration to ensure that the interstate migration does not become a conduit for insecurity. Illegal mining activity. The Forum expresses deep concern over the escalating illegal mining activities across the southwest states. We see that it continues to threaten environmental safety, it continues to create public health issues, and of course, our regional security. The Forum therefore calls for a comprehensive and enforceable licensing framework, which we believe will strengthen monitoring mechanism, and it will create a stricter enforcement action against violators who may perpetrate violent crimes under the guise of mining. On state police, the Forum reaffirms its support for the establishment of state police, by emphasizing that the time is now, and we pray that it should not be delayed any longer.